Welcome to the post-game press conference. We are here with our winning coach, Renzi Bahar. Coach Renzi, kanina nga po nasabi mo na ang trinabaho niyo talaga sa training ay yung takbuhan, and we definitely saw the results today. First half pa lang, 19 fast break points. Coach, what did you like most about the way your team executed in transition and capitalized dito sa short-handed na TNT?
Yes, first of all, I would like to thank the Lord na binigyan kami na unang panalo for this conference. Yun lang, like what I said in the before the start of the game, challenge ko yung mga players ko to commit number one on defense. Because for our last 3 games that we play, especially on our last game against NLEX, we kumbaga talagang nagkaroon kami ng masamang depensa. Okay? Nagsimula yon from our rebounding department, at the same time yung transition defense. Okay? So that's why after our loss against NLEX, so kumbaga trinabaho namin talaga yung number one on defense. Transition defense plus the rebounding. Halos pinatakbo ko sila ng pinatakbo sa training. Especially kung coming from the offensive rebound, talagang binibilang namin yun. Talagang kung ilang offensive rebound na mabigay, yun ang itatakbo ng players namin. So that's why siguro ngayon, nag-commit yung mga bata, nag-commit yung mga players namin on our defense alone.
Thank you, Coach. We now open the floor for questions from our friends from the press.
Coach, congratulations. Coach, nga may mention na yung mga talo nyo puro blowout. Was it difficult na coming to this game, alam natin TNT kahit short-handed, nandun pa rin yung reputation nila. Yung mayab ba na motivate yung team after yung struggles nyo?
Yes, number one, napakahirap nung 3 straight losses. How you motivate the players, how you motivate the team. But like what I said a while ago, I told them just to enjoy the game. Wag muna namin, we will just don't think about the winning right away. We just treat this game right quarter by quarter, every minute, possession by possession. So baka sakali doon magkaroon kami ng pag-asa. So yun, eventually we limit talk and text to what, 48 points in the first half. So we have a good defense on the first half. Yun, na-duplicate lang namin going to the second half, and especially with the leadership of our import Terrell Brown. So he's very vocal to the players na also na just keep on playing defense. So yun na nangyari sa amin for this game.
Tyrell, congratulations and welcome to the PBA. This is your second game and you finally got a win. Just your thoughts on getting this win and a convincing one against TNT.
Thank you. It was very important for this win, especially for me personally, just to prove to everybody that I belong here, whatever, and also for the team. You know, they were looking for their first win, and I'm happy that I could help get them the first win, and I feel good.
Tyrell, I believe you're the original choice, but there's a lot of things happening. Can you describe what happened and how did you came over here to get the Titan import?
I was playing my first 10 years in South America. So I guess the team, I had a friend in common that was part of in the management of the team, and he kind of talked to them, and we came up with a deal to bring me here.
Coach, parang siya yung original choice nyo, but parang you had another import na hindi pinayagan, then Tyrell came in. Ano ba yung nangyari?
Yeah, before I will tell you. Before he came here, nagkaroon siya ng there's a incident na they kumbaga nasunog. There's a fire on their house in their country. So nasunog yung bahay nila. So that's why he came here late. So kumbaga ang dami niya inasikaso, plus same thing as his clearance in the last in his previous team na hindi rin lang nabigay kaagad yung clearance. So yun, then on our first game against NLEX, he just got his GOB license, so medyo talagang hindi siya nakapag-practice sa amin on the game against NLEX.
Terrell, was it difficult, that situation you had? Was it difficult having those situations?
It was a little difficult just starting out, but the team, they welcomed me very good, and the coach, he helped me catch up fast with the team, with the plays and everything. So at this point, I feel good. I feel like we got a good chemistry and we're ready to keep going.
Hi Coach, isa lang kasi para kung tama po yung bilang namin, you guys ended yung last conference with 7 straight losses, tas combined dun sa 3 sunod na pagkatalo.
Yes.
10-game losing skid. Can you just talk to us how relieved are you lang na finally na-end yung ganong kahabang slump?
Yes, eventually, ayun nga, nagpapasalamat ako siyempre kay Lord God na nabigyan kami talaga ng panalo today. Especially with Token Tex. Token Tex is a champion team. Galing sila sa championship series. Yun lang, I give a credit to all my players because siguro gusto rin na, they want to win. They want to win talaga for this game. At the same time, Terrell wants to win also. So, I'm very happy for the result because yung game plan namin, yung challenge ko with them, especially on playing defense, lahat nasunod nila. So, hopefully this will be the start na maging maganda yung conference namin. So, we'll just enjoy this win. Okay, then we just move on and focus to the next game against Macau.
That ends our post-game press conference. Thank you, everyone. Congratulations, Coach Renzi and Terrell.
Thank you.